True form, sustainable health, natural body. Frozen vegetables. Are they healthy and how to use them? In the last video, we talked about pre-cut vegetables and why they're safe to eat. But what about frozen vegetables? Some people claim they're unhealthy or not as good as fresh. Today, we'll uncover the science behind frozen veggies and show how to use them to make quick, healthy meals. Why people think frozen vegetables are bad. There are two main reasons why frozen vegetables get a bad reputation. 1. Frozen equals old or low quality. Some believe they're made from leftover or poor quality produce. 2. Freezing destroys nutrients. Others think the freezing process damages vitamins and minerals. Both concerns are based on misconceptions. And here's why. The science of freezing. Here's what really happens before vegetables are frozen. 1. Picked at peak ripeness. Vegetables are harvested at their nutritional peak, often fresher than fresh produce that's been sitting in storage or on shelves for days. 2. Blanching process. They are quickly heated with steam or boiling water for a short time. This step deactivates enzymes that cause spoilage, discoloration, and nutrient loss. 3. Flash freezing. After blanching, they're flash frozen at very low temperatures. This locks in nutrients and preserves texture for months without preservatives. Are frozen vegetables as nutritious as fresh? Studies show frozen vegetables retain most of their nutrients, sometimes even more than fresh produce that's been stored for a week. Vitamin C and water-soluble nutrients, slightly reduced during blanching, but well-preserved afterward. Fiber and minerals remain virtually unchanged. When to use frozen vegetables. Frozen veggies are perfect for busy days when there's no time to prep fresh vegetables, times when certain produce is out of season or unavailable, reducing food waste. Only use what you need when you need it. They're pre-washed, pre-cut, and last for months in your freezer. Quick ways to use frozen vegetables. 1. Microwave steam bowl. Place frozen veggies in a microwave-safe bowl with a splash of water. Cover and heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add quick protein like canned tuna, boiled eggs, or tofu for a complete meal. 2. Soup boost. Add frozen vegetables directly to soups or stews. They thaw and cook in minutes, adding nutrients with zero extra prep. 3. Rice and veggie bowl. Combine microwave rice with steamed veggies. Add light seasoning, but avoid too much sauce to keep sugar and salt in check. Frozen vegetables aren't a downgrade. They're a smart shortcut. Keep a bag in your freezer and use it to make healthy eating easier. Next time, we'll talk about how to choose seasonings and dressings without adding hidden calories. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and start building a healthy, sustainable body with us.